Happy Sunday morning. There's a lot to be grateful for. People who do not have stock accounts, people who do not have bank accounts, you qualify for buy now, pay later. The greatest thing about buy now, pay later Sunday promotion is if you passed it up, there are always new trades. We're always adding more. Tell everyone you know that they don't have to have credit. They don't have to be left behind. They don't have to pay capital gains tax. They don't have to have that retail setup. They don't have to have the retail setup. Our setup will pay $15,000 on buy now, pay later. And we have new programs and we have new promotions coming out weekly on Sunday. We urge you, this is SMR. We just added it to our buy now, pay later, and we did. That's another nuclear stock like OKLO, people who like to ignore success and big trades. They would rather be left behind. This is OKLO, the big breakout. We featured it at around $5 and it's gone parabolic up. We've gone it the full distance with it. We have provided that opportunity. If you're listening to the video, I would tell your friends, if you care about your friends that want to be in the stock market but don't have an account, you would tell them about us and you would get compensated for the referral. And you would if you even take the time to look at the video. OKLO was one of the best buy now, pay later setups that one could have had. We've had many that have played out. No capital gains tax. Say goodbye to that. You got so many opportunities under this program, you can't even count them. Are you even watching? Are you listening? Make your choices. All you have to do is call me, fill out the email, take that action. It's Sunday. Take positive action now.